Sequence is a sound that plays not about classical dubs, killing jump and sounds classically. And this is Lucian and the Messenger, mashing up jump and sound, leaving them tragically. Now big up yourself, Sean, Alex, Lodi, Byron, and Jimmy. And the Messenger, the Kabbalah. So take it away.
All dancehall fans and party fans, and me, Johnny P. Attack. The 6th of December, I will be at the place called D Junction, Orlando. The 7th of December, Fort Lauderdale, Sunset Strip. Count of people you can't miss. The 8th of December, West Palm Beach. So count of people me are telling you reach. Because I hold up an artist step on this. I have man like Clementine Ray, man like Anthony Malvo, man like Colin Roach, and me, Johnny P. for the girl them at cup of tea. I give them the bike back. Watch the girl them pan the bike back. Watch the girl them pan the bike back. And go so all up your and girl not take again, man. Badanga. We know I'm not the girl when I fight. Old bro, hold up your one and jump, pop. Don't miss, don't forget. Coda people, December is a day to remember. Johnny P says so.
Now you man a massive. This is Iman Colin Roach and Rain Fire birthday bash on the 6th of December. Place called D Junction, Orlando, featuring Johnny P, Iman Colin Roach, and Tony Malvo, Clement Irie. And on the 7th of December, place to be R&B Sport Pub, Fort Lauderdale, Sunset Strip. And on the 8th, remember, say, West Palm Beach, it's not good no more. One night my sound is in the contest. You can reach me by railway. Goody. Yes. Be there. Yo, this is Anthony Malvo, endorsing Wayne Fire and Baron Sequence at your big birthday bash. December 6th, 7th, and 8th is going to be a great weekend in Florida. On December 6th, I'll be in Orlando. And remember, I'll be in Orlando, no faking. December 7th, I'll be in South Florida. And December 8th, I'll be in West Palm Beach. Make it a date and don't be late. I'll be singing songs like, hey! Baby, let's cruise away from here. A song, right? A summer love is beautiful. It's not enough to satisfy emotion that are shared between. Oh, a song like give it the sun, the moon, the rain, the stars, and the mountain. I'll give you the world. Hey! And remember, make it a date and don't be late. It's going to be great. Remember, this is not a fake thing. It's real. You hear me say? Come out and support. Bless up Anthony Malvo. Say so.